After adding text to your project, you can make changes to its appearance and function. You saw earlier that by double tapping on the text, you can change the characters or the word that is used. You also saw earlier that you can resize it using the control handles on the bounding box. Now I'd like to show you how to change the character style. This happens in the Properties panel. With the Properties panel open, go down to the Text Options area and then tap on the drop-down box to select a different style of text. This will automatically update on your work mat. You can also change the character spacing here, and it will go into minus figures as well if you want to bring those characters closer together. Now perhaps you would like to actually draw your word instead of cut it out. If that's the case, you would come to the bottom of the Properties panel and tap on Drawing Line. This will then change the output type of that word to be drawn rather than cut. If you would like your scan and cut machine to apply a draw fill, i.e. it colours it in, make sure this box is selected. Those are the things that we can do with text directly.